Hello everyone, and welcome to Sensory Playtime. We're so excited to have you here today. This is a special place where we can explore, create, and have loads of fun together. Today we're going to have so much fun with Play-Doh and Sensory Bags. These activities are not only super fun, but also help us learn and grow. Are you ready to get squishy? I know I am. Play-Doh is such a fantastic material because it lets us use our imagination to create anything we want. We're going to use our hands to make amazing things. From animals to shapes, the possibilities are endless. It's going to be so much fun. And the best part is, we get to do it together. Can you guess what we need? That's right, we need Play-Doh. But not just any Play-Doh, we're going to make our own. We'll need some flour, salt, water, and a bit of oil. And don't forget the food coloring to make it super vibrant. And guess what? We're going to make it ourselves. It's a simple process and you'll be amazed at how quickly it comes together. It's super easy, I promise. Just mix the ingredients together, knead it a bit, and voila! You have your very own Play-Doh. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! I can't wait to see all the amazing creations you'll come up with. Let's dive into this sensory adventure together. First, we need some flour. Can you say flour? Good job! Flour is the main ingredient that makes our Play-Doh soft and squishy. It's like the magic dust that brings everything together. Have you ever felt how soft flour is? It's so smooth and powdery. Now let's pour some flour into our bowl. Make sure to pour it slowly so it doesn't spill everywhere. We want just the right amount to make our Play-Doh perfect. Not too much, just enough. See how it sits nicely in the bowl? That's the perfect amount. Too much flour can make our Play-Doh dry and crumbly. Now we need some salt. Salt is very important because it helps to preserve our Play-Doh and keeps it from getting too sticky. Can you say salt? Great! Salt makes our Play-Doh nice and soft. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Just a little bit will do. Too much salt can make it too hard. Next, let's add some water. Water is what makes our Play-Doh gooey and fun to play with. It helps to bind all the ingredients together. Can you say water? Awesome! Water makes our Play-Doh nice and gooey. Pour it in slowly so we can see how it mixes with the flour and salt. It's like magic happening right before our eyes. Pour slowly and don't forget to mix. Mixing is very important because it helps to combine all the ingredients evenly. Use a spoon and stir, stir, stir. Now we mix, mix, mix! Look at it change, isn't it amazing? The texture is transforming right before our eyes. Keep stirring until everything is well combined and we have a nice, smooth dough. Great job! Now comes the fun part. Let's take our Play-Doh and roll it into a ball. Can you roll with me? Roll, roll, roll. Now let's flatten it with our hands. Push, push, push. Can you make a snake? How about a cookie? You can make anything you want. Use your imagination and have fun. Look at all the amazing things we can create with Play-Doh. Section 4. Magical Sensory Bags. Now for something even more magical, we're going to make sensory bags. These bags are not only fun to play with, but also a great way to engage your senses and spark creativity. Imagine the joy of squishing and squashing these colorful bags, feeling the gel move between your fingers. It's like holding a little piece of magic in your hands. They're squishy, squashy, and so much fun to play with. You can press them, squeeze them, and even use them to create different shapes and patterns. The possibilities are endless, and the fun never stops. First, we need a Ziploc bag. Can you say Ziploc bag? These bags are perfect for holding all the magical ingredients we're going to add. Make sure you have a sturdy one so it doesn't break while you're playing. Excellent! Now let's add some hair gel. This is what gives our sensory bags that wonderful squishy texture. Pour in enough to fill the bag about halfway. You can use clear gel or colored gel, depending on what you have available. It's what makes our sensory bags so squishy. Once the gel is in, you can start to feel the magic. Give it a little squeeze and see how it moves around inside the bag. Isn't that fun? You can add some glitter too, if you want to make it sparkly. Glitter adds a touch of sparkle and makes the sensory bag even more visually appealing. Just a little sprinkle will do. Watch how it mixes with the gel and creates a shimmering effect. Now, zip the bag really tight and give it a little shake. This helps to mix everything together and ensures that the bag is sealed properly. You don't want any gel leaking out while you're playing. Look at the colors swirl. Isn't it mesmerizing? You can spend hours just watching the colors move and mix. It's a wonderful way to relax and enjoy some quiet time. And there you have it, your very own magical sensory bag. Section 5. See you next time. Wow, we had so much fun today exploring with Play-Doh and sensory bags. Remember, you can use your imagination to create anything you want. Keep playing and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun activities and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you next time.